10 signs you are attracting massive wealth and abundance and success. Hi everyone, Robert Zink, Miracle Mentor and Alchemy Life Coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle, flying in the direction of your dreams and your goals. Today we're talking about signs that you are on the verge of attracting massive wealth, prosperity, abundance, and personal success. But first, I'd like to invite you to our massive wealth and abundance and personal success group on Facebook. It is growing like wildfire. I mean, it's just people are on fire. They're sharing ideas, they're talking, and I'm answering as many questions as I possibly can. So I'll put the link right down below here, and you join us on Facebook, join the group. You're going to absolutely love it. I promise you'll get something very, very important out of it each and every day. So these signs are absolutely essential, and if you have just 3 of them out of the 10, you're likely to be a high flyer. If you have 4 or 5 out of the 10, you are likely to attract massive wealth and abundance and personal success. So number 1 is you just refuse to give into fear. Fear nothing. What does that sign say? No fear. You are confident. You are secure. In other words, you're willing to take risks in business that other people aren't willing to take. You're willing to take them because you're very, very focused on achieving big goals. So when I was listening to Jeff Bezos talk about the fact that his company, Amazon, only had about a 30% chance of success when he first started. They were operating out of his garage, out of his basement. 30% chance. But he took the risk anyway. He borrowed $300,000 and off he went. And there's Amazon today. What? Huge. Gigantic, right? Mega success. Listen, if Jeff Bezos can do it, so can you. You might have to start in your basement or your kitchen or in your front room, but you can have the kind of success you desire because you are not one of those people that give in to fear. You are, number 2, always working on your vibe, looking to take your vibe higher and higher and higher. You're leveling up all the time because you realize that your vibe is how you express yourself to the world. And you understand that people, just because they don't see you, they feel you on a energetic level, that you and I are connected to every other human being in the world at some level. We're all part of this giant matrix. And so your vibe is essential. It's important, especially in relationships, but it's absolutely critical in success and business. High flyers, sign number 3, that you are just heading to the top. Success, abundance, prosperity is that you refuse to sell out. You're not a sellout. You're one of these people that stick close to your values. And you have some very strong values. And so you're not going to sell out your values in order to make a quick buck. You hang on to your beliefs and core values, and they're very important to you, and you cherish them. Sign number 4 is that you are dedicated to serving people. Anything you build that attracts money to you involves serving other people. If you want to really know how to make more money, do you really want to know how to make more money? Let me hear you. Of course you do. Serve more people. The more people you can serve and make feel good about them. See, when I get a package from Amazon in the mail, and I get out the little kitchen knife and I open it up and there's a little something in there that I ordered, I feel good. Amazon makes me feel good because I ordered it. I didn't expect it to be here for a week, and it got here the next day. The more people you can make feel good with your service, the more money you will make. High flyers, sign number 5 that you are headed to the top of the mountain in success and finances and abundance and money is that you have strong social skills. That's so important. You know, in today's world where we're connecting with everybody, we're like an octopus. We're connecting in about 8-10 different directions, sometimes at one time. It's absolutely essential to have powerful, strong social skills. If you are one of those people that say, I like to keep to myself, I don't like to be talking to everybody, then that works against you. I'm not saying you have to be on all the time, but I'm saying that you need to learn how to grease the wheel. Grease the wheel means you make that phone call every now and then to somebody to see how they're doing. You check up on them. You send them a little email. You send them a postcard in the mail. You grease the wheel. You work to keep people engaged with you. And if you're one of those people that have strong social skills, incredible. That's a powerful sign that you are headed to the top of the mountain. Well, sign number 6 is pretty simple. You're an early riser. You may not have always been an early riser, but you're dedicated to getting up early every single day. Now, you're going to have to find that sweet spot for you. Perhaps 7:30 is a little bit too late. Perhaps 5:30 is a little bit too early. Maybe 6:30 is just right. So for you, and other people might have a different sweet spot. I know one billionaire, his sweet spot was about 3:30 a.m. That's when he got up for the day. And he worked a few hours from home and then drove into the office. But he also went to bed fairly early too. So you find that sweet spot. But you are an early riser and you are attracting massive wealth, massive abundance, and prosperity into your life. I believe number 7, sign number 7 is essential. It doesn't mean that you love everything you do. I don't love every part of my job. Nobody loves every part of their job, but I love what I'm creating. I love what I am building. I love what I'm involved in. I love where we're taking our company and our mission and our purpose to empower more lives. And as I empower more lives, I feel even more passionate. And the more passion I feel, the more wealth and money and happiness and success I attract. And that's what you're doing on your mission and purpose as well. This is your journey. And not every part of it is smooth, but you love the journey nonetheless. I think number 8 is so important. You know, my grandma, you know, she was absolutely wonderful to me, and she played a big role in my path and in my decision to go into this path many, many years after she passed away. But she influenced me. And she used to tell me, I'd get out of the car and she'd be looking out the window and she'd open up that door and she'd say, "Pull them shoulders back. Pull them shoulders back. Get that chest out." Be confident with who you are. If you're already there, if you are a confident individual, if you are strong in your beliefs, strong in your goals, if you trust yourself, if you believe in yourself, this is perhaps one of the biggest, most powerful signs that you are attracting massive wealth and prosperity into your life. Sign number 9 is that you love to surround yourself with achievers. You know, I know people that like to surround themselves with people who are not going anywhere, who are comfortable where they're at. And it helps them feel better about themselves. It's not how it works. See, achievers like you like to surround yourself with people that are going to the top, that are achieving greatness. Because when you're around that energy, you absorb that energy. That's why developing strong social skills is so important, because it puts you around people that are achievers. You know, we get 600 to 1,000 letters here every week. We can only reach the people that we believe are achievers, are going somewhere, because those are the people we can have an impact in their relationship, in their business, in their career, in their dreams, and in their goals. Surround yourself with achievers. It's a huge sign. And sign number 10, you have dreams almost nightly about success, about achieving, about helping, about serving more people, about attracting more money. These dreams come into your mind, and when you wake up in the morning, you go, "Oh, yeah." Okay, flyers, high flyers, I should say. I've given you 10 signs. If you qualify for 3, you can easily train yourself to qualify for 4, 5, 6, or 7, or all 10. You know, there are no limits or boundaries to what you can master and achieve. Use these signs as a guide and start manifesting the signs, and everything else will happen easily and effortlessly. Yes, I said it. Easily and effortlessly. Have a great day, because you absolutely deserve it. And remember to come and join us on our Facebook group, Law of Attraction Secrets.